Hello everyone, and I'm Nagasha, and then subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and then of course let me know in the comment section what you'd love to see and what you'd love to see the improvement. Thank you. If you have watched my previous video, realize there is a lot of darkness in it, so I had to do something about it. So I'll put the link below for that video of how to promote a post on Facebook and Instagram as well. Yes, so if you haven't watched the video, please go and watch it. So today I'm unboxing Selfie ring light. So I had to get this Selfie ring light because with this I can shoot at any time I want to. But then with the natural light you have to hold on. If the weather is not okay, you can't shoot a video. If the sunlight is not, if it's not too bright, you can shoot a video. But then with this, I can shoot anytime I want to. So I got this from the store at 60,000, and the shillings, and in dollars that's $16.2. Yes, $16.2. So I'm going to unbox this. So this is how it looks, and this is available in black, white and pink, but I decided to get myself pink. So pink looked better for me, so I thought it was really a good idea for me to get it in pink color. So it looks like this. Yes, and it comes with two wipes. I think this is to wipe the mirror that is in here. Yes, this is to wipe this mirror. So and it comes with a USB. So the USB is for charging it. First of all, you must be having an adapter, and you charge it from here. You have to get an adapter and put it right there, and then you get an adapter to connect it to electricity. So once it's charging, it produces a red light, and I'll be showing that. So that's all. So you press here. Yes, you see this? So your phone is attached in here. Yes. So and it has three different lights. The first one, I don't know how I'm going to call it. This is the brightest color. This is the first color, and this is goldish. This is goldish color, and the third one is a bit should I say cream, but it's a bit darker than the first one. So the first one is very white, and the second one is goldish, and the third one is a bit creamish. So guys, I'm going to put this in front of me, and you will see the difference. So this is the first light. I hope you see the difference. Yes, you hope you see the difference already. This is the greenish color of the light. This is the greenish light, and this is the third light. I hope you guys see the difference, and I think the first one is better for me. So this is available at 60,000 Ugandan shillings and $16.2 US, and yes. So and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and then of course let me know in the comment section what you'd love to see and what you'd love to see the improvement. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.